how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. It is currently 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, so literally in 1 hour the markets will open. New York Stock Exchange, that's when the banks will open, etc. Price will start to move, and right now it's not moving much, but soon it will start to move. Today's no news, but I'm gonna go to the markets. I'm gonna show you everything. The reason why I record these kind of videos is to bring transparency into the space. You know, there's a lot of bullshit in this trading industry, so I'm trying to like clean it up to actually show you that I trade, and because you know I have to back it up, right? I'm teaching stuff, I need to show that I actually do that stuff, right? Because there's a lot of people who just teach and not do anything. Regardless, if you don't know who am I, my name is Edward Cash. I've been trading for over 4 years. At first, I was just losing in the markets. 2 years straight, imagine that. I was doing a bunch of mistakes. I didn't get the right guidance, and there was so much bullshit in this space. But now I've been profitable for over 2 years, making money consistently in these markets. I would have become profitable way faster if there would have been videos like these back when I started. And I'm essentially just recording these to my younger self. But regardless, let's get into the markets very soon, and I'm gonna show you everything. The market's about to open really soon, so I'll see you in the markets. If it reaches to the order block, alright, took it. Alright guys, tough to be for me. Okay, oh, there we go. Clean as fuck, bro. Let's do a recap now that I finished this trade. I want to talk about how there could have been potential buys when I checked the markets, because yesterday, after a long time, we broke shock to the upside in the daily time frame, right? This was a daily time frame high. This up candle closed above it. That was like, you know, a lot of potential bullish entries, right? But didn't give us. Why? We know the market conditions this past month, like for like 30 days straight, it has been just session opens and it dumps, okay? That's the exact pattern movements shit we've been seeing lately, and with a lot of volume, okay? And that's cool. As day traders, we don't care, does the price go down or does the price go up? We make money regardless, okay? What we need to see is the trend respect. And today we saw that to the downside when the session opened. That's the key, okay? That's always the key. Trend respect. How does the trend move to the downside? It moves in low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows. If we go to let's go to the 15 minutes pre-markets, we get that exact momentum. Low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs. Okay, not that great volume, but session opens, low lows, low highs, boom. Not just only that, what do we also get? We get disrespect of the sell side liquidity areas. So it's more respect to the downside if it disrespects the areas that could switch the price direction and start to go up. So that's even more confirmation that we need to look for sells. What do I mean? Well, we took a 1 hour time frame low, we took these huge liquidity areas, and all of those just acted as a retracement tool. What is a retracement tool? It is an area that could potentially switch the trend, but it momentarily goes up and then continues the trend. Retracement tool. I invented that, I think, because I've never heard someone say that, but a retracement tool. Okay, act as a retracement tool. All of this just gets disrespected, right? This was a 4 hour time frame low. Look at this. How did it act? Retracement tool. Tapped into. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. This is the low. 1 hour time frame low was a 4 hour time frame low. Tapped into. Goes up. I didn't buy because we need to see the confirmation of the trend. It didn't give us that. It just manipulates the price, goes up a little bit, and then continues what? Continues to do our nice low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows, retracements, low highs, low lows, lower highs. You get the point. And then what we want to see, we actually nicely, then after that, straight up create this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Fair value gap is a 3 candle sequence, and the middle part is the gap. Gets tapped into, there's orders, tapped into here. We tap into that, we get a 1 more break of shock to the downside. I didn't want to enter, like this, I would have normally entered, but look at this reach out ratio. Was kind of mid, so I wanted to wait for it to tap into this up candle, which is our bearish 1 minute order block, right? Tapped into that. I wanted to see some reaction to the downside. Push to the downside. Boom. I entered right here on the money, right here, and stops will be right here on the low, and I closed right here. Should have closed right here, but I didn't enter specific coordinates to the trade because I like to, like, you know, there's no news today, so I can just watch the trade, you know what I'm saying? So closed it right here. I target these lows, tapped into them. We actually saw some reaction. And guys, this is the thing. The reason why I target these kind of areas, I target in areas where the price may switch its direction. We literally can see it getting tapped into and switches the price direction momentarily. This could just be a retreatment of the downtrend in the higher time frame zone, but still it reacts some sort of way. That's why I target this and made a quick buck on this one. Yo, just like that, almost 1.2k. Hold on, let me check. I was literally trading. I closed the trade at 10, started trading at around 9:25. I just look at the markets, bro. Like 35 minutes in the markets, and you know, my freaking day is done, and now I can do whatever I want. Bro, this is what I love about trading. It's the freedom, bro. It's the money, etc. And guess what? I'm only 18 years old. You can do it. I can do it. All you need is just actual dedication and the right guidance. And you know, if you made it this far, click the subscribe button, like, and comment. And click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free Discord. Inside the Discord, you can find the free course where I will teach you for free. You can find the free ebook. You can get it complete for free and find a community with like-minded people. Alright, man. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.